Let's talk about it today. The operation and assembly of this piezoelectric touch. First of all, piezoelectric. The screen is adjustable. For example, the adjustment of one of its angles. We can twist up and down angles of 90 degrees and 180 degrees of left and right rotation, but don't rotate 360 degrees. And then, next, we do the assembly on the bracket. Then we have already installed it here. It's part of a bracket. Then the assembly of this part, we'll show you on the other side. If you receive the goods first, it's 2 screws. It has been fixed on it. Let's move the screen away. And then, take the screw out. And then, remove the bracket, align. That's it. Then we install the bracket above. Hammer probe. The first is this hole. The largest bracket. Is a hammer on the probe. If assembled here, also remove the screw from this iron plate first. After that, each hole is screwed. Then align. We bracket assembly. Watch this part. It is flush with the iron plate of this bracket. Above here. And then underneath, it's hanging like this. It's sort of suspended. Then we put the probe like this. Put it on the bracket. That's it. Let's look at another one. And here we install a stand, hemming probe, a hemming handle. The bracket for installing the handle first is also flush. Pretend like this. It is best for the customer to go manually by himself. Take a screwdriver. If you go too fast, this screw will slip. To control. And it's flush here too. Don't do that. This is not correct. We pack it flush correctly. Down here is flat. Then put the rest of the probes on it. We attach the handle to our mainframe. Put it on the bracket first. Then take a look at this position on the back of the instrument. We connect the handle. The handle is connected to the interface here. Let's check. Like this new. We plug it in here. Because of his cable is in this direction. Then we plug it in like this. Then pull it out gently. Shake it. If it is locked, it is okay. If you want to take it off, we just pinch the buttons on both sides. Then pull this level out and you can take it out. And here's the plug-in cord and the power switch. We then teach the customer how to assemble the probe. Here, let's take this black plastic off first. After, we make sure there are no foreign objects on it, and we get the coupling agent, which is the gel. When squeezed, try to center this position and squeeze a little more. Show it like this. A little here, and then 2 laps and then up. Like this. Get another probe that needs to be operated. The smooth side is attached to the copper sheet. The one with the number on it is the operation surface. We are going to lower it vertically. After putting it down by rotating. When rotating, let's take a look inside. You can see some white bubbles. Now just keep rotating. Push this bubble out as far as possible. You can press this silicone head with a little pressure. Then it rotates to expel the bubbles. If there is an overflowing gel like this, we recommend using a towel or paper towel first. Perform a cleaning, just wipe it. Let's drain all the bubbles inside first. Okay, when the line is about the same, we'll clean up the spill of gel. And then we straighten our heads. Then use this ring to lock it. When we lock, take a look at the icon above, this arrow. The position pointed by this arrow, it has its lock. The arrow is aimed at this position and just come down. There's an opening here. There is a gap. So here we line, and we lower it down like this. Put it down and hold it down. Hold down this black ring, and then it depends on which direction he is locked. Like here, look, there's a sign for lock. He told you that the arrow pointed this way. Then we'll screw it this way. It is to screw in a clockwise direction. Hold down. Spin. It's locked like this. Then you can proceed with the operation. Okay, let's take a look now. This is his interface. The above string of words can be ignored, because this is customized by the customer. So there is this word on it. It is actually another string of English. We can ignore it here. So here it is. It has a back button. You can return to the customer's local customization interface. Here we can set parameters. So for example, here we have hertz. Then this energy. A plus or minus. Adjustable here. Here too. Then select the part. Recommendation with probe. For example, the position of the elbow is recommended no 1, 2, 3. Then on number 1, 2, 3 on the probe. It can be seen like this. You can see it here. And what about number 1, 2, 3? Its head. It corresponds to a depth. Here it is. That's a depth of 4 to 10 mm. Wow, let's press and hold for about 2 to 3 seconds. It will automatically enter ours. The hand, for example, the wrist part, elbow area, The parameters above it are recommended. We can debug according to this parameter. For example, this disease it recommends, and then recommended frequency, energy, and the number of runs to heal. The cost of treatment is all above. We recommend based on this. Then select. Then we exit. Then set its parameters. Just treat it. Our location. It is the default number of runs. Just preset a set number of recommended treatments. Like we just set go in. Inside, it is recommended that you treat a treatment of 1500 到2000 rounds. Then we set it at this location. 1500 to 2000 rounds of one treatment. Then when setting it up, we can set it at the following location. For example, 2000 rounds. Then we can add another 500. That's 2000 rounds for treatment. If you want 1580 treatments, then we subtract 500. Just pass the following two sets of values. Make a setting. And here's the record. 1 hair per use. Then this number of runs can be recorded. Let's just look at the single digits here. How much can be recorded? Then our handle. It has a certain lifespan. For example, our handle, when it is in use, we are in the warranty 60万. Its energy is undiminished. After 60万, its power starts to decay. As long as this customer knows it. After decay, he doesn't stop working immediately. That means he might be acting on the site. It's not as strong as it was at the beginning. Then we are here. Click here to prepare. Here is the stop button. Our normal operation is to select the part. Preset parameters. Let's demonstrate the long press of the wrist part here. We're sure. After preparation, we're coming back here. Click and it starts working. Click again to stop. Let's take a look at the operation of the small screen on the handle. It has 4 buttons for control here. One is the function key. You can click to switch. Frequency and energy selection. Adjust by addition and subtraction. Then click this button. Prepare our stop. It's stopped now. This is readiness. After preparation, press the button here. There is output. If not operated, we will stop. This and the buttons on our screen. The start button and the stop button are synchronized. Can be controlled here. It can also be controlled from the host interface. Show it. We use what we distribute to customers for testing here. A test cup. We can normally apply a little gel to this position, then stick. After, just start typing. Something like this has energy output. Okay, here we go. Take this part of the elbow as an example. Then if the customer operates in other parts, technique and sequence of operations. Basically the same, mainly our parameters and the interface. Just set the corresponding one. Okay, let's apply some gel to this position of the probe first. Then on the customer's part, let's find his trigger point. For example, there is pain in this position. We'll do a treatment for this position. You can put a little gel around him here. We recommend value. The lowest gear is operated. Then according to our client's clinical, you can ask him in the clinic, how do you feel? If the pain is too intense, we'll just tone it down a bit. Here we go. Do you feel any pain? There is a slight pain. Slight pain. A little pain is normal. We are in this part. Customer realization. We treat one round of 1500 to 2000 rounds. Remember when we operate the shock wave, you can operate through clothes, and it has to be gelled. Here it is. Can make this energy better delivered to our bones, acting on the pain in this bone. Okay, we won't do that. The customer cooperates in circles. Just operate it this way. After, clean our parts after operating. This is what must be done. These cleaning steps. After that, we have to clean the probe. The gel remains on its surface. Wipe it clean first. Our silicone head has no lifespan, but the handle, we just said, it has a hair count. Yes, to a certain number of runs, he begins to lose energy. Okay, here, after we finish the operation, include. After each clinical session, the customer needs to clean it. Avoid him. This copper sheet, he oxidized. And I'm going to show you. So first, there's the other circle. It will stick to some gels. We're going along the edge here. Just wipe it clean. And then finally, we clean the inside. This part. This location if the customer is using of the machine. The suggestion here is to clean it. Don't put it next time. Like the next day. Then use it to treat. Because of this gel, he will get it every once in a while. Agglomerated. If the customer is replacing the probe, not enough gel, we're about to need to replenish it. If there is too little gel in it, its energy is imperceptible. Just wipe it clean, then just put it back, then the silicone head, also clean. For example, wipe it clean like this. Like this contact surface. If there is gel, after cleaning it, customers find it unhygienic. It is because of contact with the customer's skin. If he were a clinic, if there are many people who have contact, you can wipe it with a little normal sealing here. Just clean the surface. After we clean everything up, just put it back and it's over.